Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ali in Japan. I'm sorry I haven't posted for quite a long time. I had a long break, but I'm back again. So today's feature is about the Ichiran Ramen or the Ichiran noodles here in Japan. It's getting popular and because of the uniqueness and how you could order, and also because they serve the tastiest tonkotsu ramen, which is a bone marrow. And here you would see how we could order and how you could eat inside. So let's get inside and see what the store can offer. So first you're gonna buy a ticket, and this is the menu. You have to select what your choices are, and later on inside you could also select more. This is the seating arrangement. All numbers are written in Japanese, so just wait for the attending person and she will lead you where to sit. And so we were escorted at the number 7 table, and this is how it looked like. So you have your own cubicle here, and for placing your bags there's also a place you could be able to put in. Now once you're seated, this is your orders sheet. You could order what type you would like to. It's also written in English so we would understand the thickness, and if you're gonna put some garlic and so. Once you're done, you just call somebody here. There's a call button and wait for them to arrive. They will pick this paper for you. So there you go. And don't forget to give them the stop. They will say to wait for a while, and they will close this window. While waiting, I could see on the side that there are some information. Well, if you wanted to do like I'm leaving for a moment, might sit for a moment, you don't have to tell it to them. You just place this in front of your table. And this is the size that you're gonna be seated on. There's another item order sheet here. Again, it's also good for kids. It's a friendly for kids, and yeah, that's so nice. And you also have your own water dispenser. And yeah, and we'll wait for this window to open up. Oh, there you go. Okay, then this is my Ichiran Ramen. It's very simple as beginners. This is also my first time. So yes, I pick up the simplest one. Then I forgot the red one, which is quite spicy, a little bit spicy, and I added up, which is quite very delicious. And that's about the Ichi Ramen. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.